Hi everybody, this is Kristen Wanta and I am a doTERRA Wellness Advocate. Today I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys about your back office and specifically how to set up an LRP. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to mydoterra.com and it will show you it'll bring you to this page. So you can sign in with your doTERRA ID and password. If this is the first time you're here, you can enter your doTERRA ID here, and that is in one of the emails that they sent you when you first enrolled. So since I've been here before, my password is saved. I'm going to submit that. And what it does is it brings you into the back office. It automatically will bring you right to the shop tab. So over here on the right is where you can see if you have any orders scheduled. And so they'll be on these lines here. As you can see, this is this order number I have scheduled to ship on August 5th. To create a new LRP, though, you're going to use this purple button, create a new LRP template. And the benefits of the LRP versus a standard one-time order are that with the LRP, you get to earn the percentage of points back in free product. And if you place 125 LRP order by the 15th of the month, you will get the free product of the month, which is different every month, usually between a $10 and $20 value. And then you can also earn commissions if you have at least 100 LRP template for wellness advocates. So I'm going to click on create a new template, and it asks you to select a shipping date. So the 1st through the 15th end up in purple, and those are the days that you can earn the free product on. But you can also select a date after the 15th to have it shipped on. These dates closer to the 15th might be faded out, and that's just due to the number of orders being processed on those days. So they try to space it out a little bit. But I'm just going to pick a date, and then it says here, now creating a new LRP template. You want to make sure that it says that so that you know that you're doing that instead of editing an old one or doing a one-time standard order. And then you can just start adding things to your cart. So down here, there are some great little icons that you can use for shopping. You can also use these little buttons here along the top. So if we want to search essential oils and maybe oil blends, it'll bring you up all of your options. You can see the PV value there, the price, and so on. You can just push this add to cart button, and it'll automatically add it to your cart. So we'll add a couple things. And then over here on the right, if you push this view totals button, it'll calculate it for you. So you can kind of see where you're at without having to go back and forth from your cart to the shopping screen, and so on. So I encourage you to play around with all of these. There are so many different products to look at. And if you're a wellness advocate, they also have sales tools. You can purchase the product guides or the living magazines, your special offers. So this is gonna be the 10% off products of the month. For this month, it is the PB Assist and the A to Z Chewable. But the while supplies last are also some of the other great specials that doTERRA has. So if we want to then review our cart, we're gonna go there, and here's where all of your information will show up. So you can see the order processing date, you can see the items I have in here, my total PV for my cart. So that's what you're gonna wanna pay attention to if you're trying to get the free product of the month or the commissions. Then You can select your shipping over here. If the items in that cart are for personal consumption, which most of the time is the case, you want to make sure you check mark that box because doTERRA will charge you a different tax rate for personal consumption items versus items that you plan to resell. You can change the quantity of the things in your cart right here. If you realize, oh, I really wanted to add something else, you can use this little search bar in the cart and start typing something, and it'll pop up the items that match what you typed. So you can quickly add things that way. If you have rewards points, you can add those to redeem once you're in the cart. And to do that, you can use this use points area, and you can see that it'll tell you that you must process your order immediately if you're using points. And so what that means is you're going to have to go through the steps of continue and processing the payment instead of waiting until the August 10th date. So that'll change to a one-time. You used 20 points, and then your points here will change as well. Something to note about the points is that you do need enough points to cover the whole cost of the product. So, and it goes off of the price. So for instance, for this lemon, I will need 10 points. If I only had five rewards points, I wouldn't be able to apply it to that product and just take $5 off. You have to have the whole amount to cover that product. So you can use this red X to delete things in your cart. And then right here is a box that you can check mark to donate $1 to the Healing Hands Foundation, which is a really great tool to help make a difference for that foundation. And then if you're ready to process this, you can push continue. Otherwise, and then it'll go through just one more confirmation step. Otherwise, if you want to save it and have it processed on the 10th, you just push save changes. This little box that pops up will just tell you if you don't have at least 100 PV that you won't qualify for commissions, and if you don't have 125, you won't qualify for the free product of the month. So just making sure that you're aware of that. They like to confirm. So now you'll see here on the right that I have 2 different LRP orders set up, one for the 5th and one for the 10th. If I want to go in and delete this LRP template, I can push this edit button, and right here it says cancel this LRP order. So I'm going to go and do that, and now I just have that one again. One last thing I will show you is that on the dashboard tab, you will see your loyalty rewards orders are also listed right here, along with your points and the point percentage that you're at. You'll see your volume for the last couple months, your earnings, and any qualifications or rank advancements and things like that. So those are the 2 main tabs that you'll use in the back office. These other things are more once you start getting into the business of doTERRA and growing a team. So feel free to let me know if you have any questions about the LRP orders or how to kind of navigate the back office. Thanks, guys.